Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Thursday on Seesaw. So today is the 14th of January 2021. Now, I'm going to start today off again by recapping over some work that you posted to me yesterday, okay? And girls and boys, you are doing such good work at home. I'm really proud of you. Keep that up, okay? Now, I'm going to start with Irish. Oh, did I minimize myself here? I'll put myself in the side of the screen here. Okay, so I'm going to start with Gaelga. And you had to listen to the story on scale about an Farshnachta booked, and then you had to circle and answer some questions for me, and then you had to record yourself reading the questions. Now, you all did a super good job. I have Abid's here. I'm going to pause it there. I'm going to move it forward so you can hear Abid read some of his. Buchel, my Abid, well done. He spoke them very clearly and with good confidence. Maihu Abid. Then I have Aisling. So I think Aisling's brother was reading the questions for him, the questions for her, and then Aisling was answering the question, which was lovely to see you guys working together. So I'm going to play some of Aisling's. Kylie Anawai or Fod, Garamahagat, and she circled it, which was excellent. Now, when I go to maths, I think I've one maths example today, and it's from Amy. So well done, Amy. She wrote in the correct hundreds, tens, and units answers. So she counted up, she looked at the boxes. There was 100 coloring pencils in this box, 10 in this box, and 2 there. So her answer was 110, 112. So she had 100, 110, and 2 units. And then she wrote her answer in expanded form in the boxes on the outsides of the sum. So she had 100 plus 10 plus 2 equals 112. 100 plus 20 plus 4 equals 124. 100 plus 30 plus 5, 135. And the last expanded form was 100 plus 50 plus 3 is 153. So well done, Amy. And well done, lots of girls and boys. You all did really good at your hundreds, tens, and units with the expanding form. So well done. Now I'm going to move on to English. So I picked Olivia B to show you some of her work. So Olivia correctly labeled all the sections of the narrative text, which was very good. So she showed the orientation, the problem, and the series of events, and the resolution is down there at the bottom. Good girl. Then she sent me some lovely examples of books that she has read that are narrative stories. And the last one I'm going to show from yesterday's work is Andrew. So Andrew also, he labeled the narrative text correctly, and then Andrew sent me a list of some books that he has read. So he read Tom Gates' The Famous Five, The 13-Story Treehouse, and The Wind in the Willows. So thank you, Andrew and Olivia B, for sending on those tasks. Now, you guys are doing a really, really good job at home. There's one thing I want to pick up on with a lot of you, okay? Please make sure you read the instructions carefully. Slow down. Don't rush through the activities. Try your very best. Read each step and what we're asking you to do, okay? So that we are not sending them back so that you have to try and do it again, okay? So read it a good few times. Check what needs to be done, and then fill in each part of the activity so we're not sending it back, all right? Now, today's activities, yay, Thursday. So what's coming up today? Let me see, I'm going to pop into activities. I'm going to scheduled, and I'll slide down here and we'll see what's up first. Okay, so Irish, there is another little conversation. So a Cora, there's a story. So you're going to hear about the Farshnachta, and you're going to hear about them being called away for lunch, and something happens to the Farshnachta. So Bíag Éis the Gleis an Cora, listen to the conversation, okay? Then I'm asking you to answer a few questions when you tap on the template, and they're a little bit like yesterday's questions, okay? So you've got that to do in Irish. Then in English, I am asking, English. Okay, so you guys are going to start looking at the Giggler treatment today. I know some people may have started to read it, but have a look at the lesson first, then have a look at the activity that's at the end to do also, okay? And the last thing to look at is maths, all right? So watch Brian's video carefully. Go watch it a few times if you need to. So you're using the expanding form again, and lots of other examples on top of that. Then go ahead and try your best to do the activity by clicking add response, okay? Looking forward to seeing all your fantastic work again, girls and boys.